name is Melody. Today I'm wearing an all-yellow shirt according to requests from subscribers. If you are curious about the outfit I'm wearing, watch it until it's finished. Come on! I want to wear a yellow seam, but there is a stripe pattern. To wear it. Very nice dress. I like it. Next, I want to wear yellow shoes. Try to use. Wow, amazing! I like it. Next, I want to use a small bag to make it more charming. Try using it. Wow, very elegant. I really like it. I think I want to wear simple round earrings. Haha, so funny. I use it. Yoo-hoo! Simple but interesting earrings. Next, I want to put on makeup so my face is not pale. And of course, I also want to change my hair to make it more beautiful. Eyeshadow. Before wearing today's outfit. And yash, here I am after wearing today's outfit with an all-yellow seam.
I'm getting ready for the OOTD photo.
I really like today's outfit. Very bright yellow color. Thank you for the outfit idea for subscribers who have commented. If you have suggestions or ideas for an outfit scene that I want to use next, please comment in the comments column below. Don't forget forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for my next